So how do you export a text as PNG written on the iPad Notes? Let's get into it. So obviously you can go ahead and use the Notes application to basically utilize all of the features like handwriting and actual, typing of the notes. But essentially, if you want to export it as a PNG, what you can do is to take a screenshot of it like that. So you basically just use the buttons like the volume up and the power button to perform the screenshot like that. And you can then just save it as a regular photo into the gallery. That would be fine, but if we want to turn it into a PNG, we need to somehow delete the background and have the PNG format ready. For that, you can utilize multiple and various different tools. So there are some dedicated apps on the App Store which are designed to remove the background. So there are plenty of background erasing apps which you can use. Usually those apps work fine, but they can ask for a subscription, right? So, that's kind of a downside to it. But most of these apps get the job done and let you export the video the photo in the PNG format without the background. But if you are a bit more experienced in this kind of stuff, you can also use the Photoshop on the iPad. And there you have plenty of options for customizing your photos and making sure everything works the way that you would want. And in there, you can most definitely erase the background and choose the specific sharing or exporting settings where you decide specifically how you want to share it, right? How or which format you pick for it. So you can specifically go for the PNG. And if you have the background removed, you will end up with a PNG only of the text. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it specifically this way. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you later in the next tutorials.